You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new mystery box. And not only a mystery box, but we have a new cutie. And I'm very excited for this new cutie because it has my name in the cutie. This is the Hollyhock Cutie, and the name of this mystery box is Cricut's Sparkling Gemstones Mystery Box. So I'm going to go ahead and show the cutie first because you know these mystery boxes sell out super duper duper fast, like within the hour lately. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this, and I don't know what color to expect. I mean, hollyhock's a flower, so I'm thinking it's going to be purple or pinkish. But you know I never ever ever peek till the reveal, so let's go ahead and see what color is Hollyhock Cutie. It is purple! This is the Hollyhock. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the Hollyhock Cutie. Is that not beautiful? Almost like a grape color or plum. This is the Hollyhock Cutie, and then here, just to compare, here are a couple other of my purple ones. And we have more pinks than purple, so I'm really happy that we got another purple friend. So there's that. If you want to go ahead, buy the box, come back and see what else is in it, go ahead. Ooh, and let's start with something pretty, because I love the pretties. Oh my gosh, I love, is this not pretty? Look at mermaid scales. Mermaid. So this is going to be your permanent premium vinyl, and this is the mixed mosaics. This is the mermaid sampler. So you're going to get 4 12 by 12 sheets in here. We're going to have 3 different colors in there, but I'm going to go ahead and open this so I can show you the different colors. Okay, so first up we are getting this beautiful, look at this. Look at this. This beautiful, and this is the huckleberry color. Oh, so they're not all the mermaid design. You get different of the mosaics. Super cool. I love doing disco balls with this one. You're going to get the mosaic silver circles. And then we're also getting 2 sheets of matte metallic, and this is the lemongrass color. I love the look of the matte metallic. Fun fact you may not know, I named my daughter Madison after a mermaid. I did, from the movie with from the movie Splash with Tom Hanks back in the day, and it is, what is her name? The blonde chick. What is the blonde chick's name? Daryl Hannah? And with Daryl Hannah, and she plays a mermaid, and they name her Madison. And ever since that movie, I was like, I want to name a girl Madison. So I tell her, you're named after a mermaid. How could you not like your name? And we're getting some premium vinyl and removable matte. You're going to get 12 by 48 inches of peach. Peach, peach, peach. Ooh. And we're getting everyday iron-on. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches of red. Like a ruby. Ruby red. And then one of my favorite things are these mixed materials things. This is from Martha Stewart, and this is the gilded black tie one. So we'll go ahead and show you what all comes in here. You get a couple different materials all to work with in one tube. And they always look good together too, so you can like coordinate for a project. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This is a premium vinyl textured metallic. How stinking pretty is this? And you're going to get copper. And you're also going to get the textured metallic in silver and gold also. How pretty. I love the look and the feel of this. It looks very fancy too. And then we're getting 2 sheets of permanent premium vinyl, and these are going to be 12 by 18 inches each. And you are getting white, and you are getting black also, which we can always use as neutral colors. I use so much of black and white. There's no such thing as too much black or white vinyl, in my opinion. And then also in the tube, you are getting a 12 by 12 sheet of the Cricut transfer tape. That way you can go ahead and transfer the vinyl. And then remember, this is reusable, so you can use this for many, many times. And we are getting a woman's t-shirt blank. We're going to get the extra large V-neck women's. And this works with the Cricut infusible ink. If you haven't used infusible ink, you have to try it. Especially get this mystery box. Get some infusible ink, because then you can cut and put like patterns on there. Especially when you don't have a sublimation printer. Like me, because I don't have a sublimation printer. It's awesome to do those patterns and such on it. But you can also put iron on it also. And you can even make a shirt for like mom. You can have kids draw on laser paper with the infusible ink markers. And then you can press it on the shirt. And then you can walk around with your kids' artwork on your shirt. Like what mom or grandma would not love to do that? Ooh, and we are getting a big pack of insert cards. This is 35 insert cards. And this is the S40 size, so these are 4.75 by 4.75. This is actually called the Rainbow Skill Sampler, and in it you're going to get 11 of the green cards, 12 of the blue, and then also 12 of the red. And then for the insert, you got this really pretty, and do you see like the scales on it? It's like holographic glitter, but then it has those scales, which as you can see, it totally reflects with the green, the red, and the blue. So these would look really pretty inside of the card. And then you're going to get 35 envelopes also. So you have everything to make 35 cards. And this does work with the Cricut card mat. So you will need the Cricut card mat to go ahead and do the insert part. If you don't have a Cricut card mat, you can still use the cards. You just aren't able to cut them in like the insert way where you put the one part of the card under the flap in the Cricut card mat and then have it cut. But you can still make cards with all of this, even if you don't have the card mat. But I suggest get a card mat and you can make 4 cards at one time. Ooh, especially with Christmas coming up. And let's be real, like Christmas is coming incredibly fast. We're in Christmas in July here, but then like the actual real Christmas will be here before long. But with all these colors, you could totally do pretty, because you have the green and the red Christmas colors, blue for Hanukkah, or even just like wintry. But then that shiny, I love the look of the scales. Very cool. So you could actually make you could get 35 Christmas cards done with this. And that's not it. We got one more thing. I thought the box was empty, but it's not empty. I guess this is why the box is so long, huh? It's like, that's a big box for that. I'm really happy I got this because I need this so incredibly bad. My last one had an accident, but this is a 6 by 26 inch acrylic ruler. So that is everything that's in Cricut Sparkling Gemstones Mystery Box. And because we got our cutie, it is access members only. So you do have to be access to buy, but if you're not access, don't worry. There are links below to go ahead and join access. And there's links to go ahead and purchase the mystery box. We greatly, greatly appreciate if you use our links. And the price of the mystery box is $49. Yes, the last couple have been lower than the $59, which is great because we can all stand to save some money in this economy. So it's $49, but it's not because you will get your access discounts. So go ahead and grab it before it's gone because you don't want to miss out on. I find that purple and pink cuties are very, very popular. So go ahead and grab that from the links. Thank you guys for watching us today. Oh, and I am releasing a new giveaway. So for our Melody Lane monthly Cricut giveaway, we're going to do $150. You are going to get to choose from Cricut to spend at Cricut. Because what happens if you win is I send you a message and I say, hey, you won, just send me what would you like and where can I send it to you? And I'll also let you know, like, hey, the sale's this week, but if you want to wait till next week to see if what you want is on sale, that's good too, because I always want you guys to get the most that you can with your prize money. So I will put links below to go ahead and enter that contest. That will take you to our Facebook group, Cricut Design Space. We always do our giveaways through that group. We've tried other ways through our Melody Lane Inspired, and scammers always try to come in and take over, so we have to have it in a private group to kind of keep that from happening. We've learned that lesson. And I'm going to go ahead and run that giveaway till August 25th. So August 25th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. But I'm always so excited to bring you guys the mystery box. I hope you guys are excited as I am going through it. But thank you guys so much for joining us. We greatly, greatly appreciate you all. And we hope you all have a fantastic week. Hope the weather's beautiful. No hurricanes, no floods, no power outages would be cool. We just had a tornado here and we were without power. So like none of that would be great. And always a gazillion things sending out to our amazing admin team. They are phenomenal, and Cricut, and you guys, the ones who are watching us. Oh, and if you could give us a thumbs up, we greatly, greatly appreciate that. Drop us a comment below, too. Were you able to get it? What did you think of everything? How cute is the Hollyhock Cutie? I'm really happy it has my name, and it's purple. Color of my nail, it's so funny. This color of nail is definitely Hollyhock color. It matches perfectly, but it's such a pretty purple. Oh my gosh. I almost dropped it, and then my puppy was at my feet. My puppy would have ate the cutie. I would have been like, no, don't eat Holly. All right, thank you guys so much for joining. We greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate you guys. Everybody have a fantastic week, and we will see you next time, guys. Happy crafting, and toodles from Alex. Bye.